Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Plan With Me. So I know this is going to be uploaded really late, but I think that's okay just because it is Thanksgiving week and it's a busy week for everyone. So I know for a fact this is getting uploaded really late. But anyway, so I'm going to show you guys this week's Plan With Me. I do have the November kit. So I'm going to be using the November kit, which is the 4-page kit. And then I also brought out the washi. So here is the 4-page kit and then the washi strips that work with this kit as well, because I just thought this kit was really fall and I've been in a fall mood. So, which is the first in a while, because I swear it felt like summer in the past couple of weeks, and I wasn't really inspired by using fall kits or anything. The first thing I'm going to do is add in my washi strips at the bottom of the page. So I'm just gonna stick those on here, and I already wrecked my planner because I am wearing burgundy nail polish, and every time I wear like burgundy or red I scrape my planner. Oh well. But here we go. I'm just gonna do these at the very bottom. I'm not going to trim these, I'm just going to stick these at the bottom. You can easily use these also for your monthly views if you want washies. I just decided to put these in here. So you got like various washies. So you have your your shopping one, your pie one. I'm just going to put the pie one actually to cover up my nail polish. I'm going to put it all along Thursday and Friday. And then I'm just going to cut this off. And I think that is the first time I actually cut that like right where it's supposed to. And then I'm gonna stick that back because I don't need that one anymore, at least not right now. And what else do we have? So I'm gonna start sticking my full boxes down. So the first ones are gonna be Thanksgiving. I'm gonna do Thanksgiving at the top for Thursday. And I've actually had a really busy week already. And with this, with Black Friday for the shop, there's so much going on. You might need to check out Instagram. We have sales like all weekend. If you haven't already. I didn't mean to put that there. Oh well. Yeah, so the confetti kits for the year are actually in the shop still. They'll stay in the shop until Monday night or probably Tuesday morning, because you guys can still purchase those in case you haven't already. So any confetti kits from this year will be up this weekend. Will stay up until the weekend. They've been up since my birthday actually. So since my birthday sale, if you haven't purchased those, they will be gone and gone forever after that. So you won't be able to grab those after that. I don't plan on bringing those back. I know a couple people wanted me to bring back a couple of the kits from, I wanted to say this was like 2016, and a couple from last year. I just didn't have time to do that, and because I wanted to bring back all of the kits from this year. So I did that instead of bringing back half the kits. Now I'm trying to think where to put this. I stuck those at the bottom because these are kind of a set, but I wanted them together because I wanted to do a big to-do list here, because my to-do list for this, like these days, was like massive. And I'm just gonna stick this at the bottom then too, just because let's stagger this one because I'm gonna forget. I didn't take out any headers for this, by the way. I am going to do a next week one. So how about I do this one on Sunday, that way it matches with the next week color. And then I'll do a checklist box. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stack this from the bottom. I'm moving my planner all over the place, but that's okay. So I'm stacking that there, adding the next week sticker banner. And then I'm going to stack this on top. And I didn't bring out any of the headers or anything. I probably should have to cover those flags. I guess I could just washi them, but I'll figure that out. If not, it's fine. And there we go. So that actually, you can actually see that. And then I'm gonna do a this week one on this side because that was my train of thought when I put this one down. And I'll just do a highlight thing for this one. So kind of like the main things I need to do that day, or this week I mean. And then next week I just need to know, I need to make sure that I take down some listings and all that. A bunch of listings are leaving the shop after this week. So if you haven't grabbed those, I suggest you go do that now. And let's see. Actually, I'm gonna stack this one on the Thanksgiving one. I want to do a full box with, not a full box, I'm gonna add in a half box. So I'm gonna just do the one with the pie because of that pie right there, and I'm gonna stick this at the bottom. There. And then I did order a bunch of things from Amazon that's coming on Wednesday, so I'm just gonna stick this to Wednesday. And then my Black Friday list is gonna be going on Friday, obviously. So I'm going to add in this yellow one. Actually, hold on, shopping list. Let's do this. Let's add in my appointment sticker upside down. The other kit that actually had the Black Friday kit, actually I called it the Black Friday kit, which is kind of similar to this one, only it was in like pinks and black. Was actually had like a wish list type of sticker on there. But I ended up using this one because I wanted a Thanksgiving-ish kit. And let's see if this works. Slightly over, but, or there's still a sliver there. So let's see what I can do with that. Oh, I guess I could just add in one of these boxes, and that's like a divider-ish thing. Close enough, whatever. So I guess for Saturday, what I'm gonna do is just add in a couple of other like full boxes, or like my checklist box, to make sure that I finish things before the weekend. I know I needed to queue up a few things that I didn't get to. I don't need this box for Sunday. So I think I do have an extra box left, right? Yes, I do. Okay, so I'm gonna save this box for Sunday in case I don't use it for Monday. But Monday's missing a box, so we'll see. And then Thanksgiving was at my uncle's house. I'll just write that in later. We had to be there early. And then I had a couple other things I had to do. So since, let's see, I'm gonna add in a checklist, a small checklist, but a checklist to write down what needed to get done. Friday, I'm gonna make a movie night sticker for Saturday, actually. Not Friday, well, even though I'm probably watching movies on Friday, but the color scheme is gonna bother me. So I'm gonna put it on Saturday instead. And I think I told my sister I wanted to go to the movies anyway on Saturday, so, or this weekend at least. So I'm just gonna add it to Saturday anyway. Well, this is close enough because it's the same color as the full box. I know I was gonna cover it anyway, but whatever. It's close enough. And then we have space at the bottom. And let's do a cleaning thing. I'm gonna try to do a clean, like a quick clean this weekend. So one of those things is going to be added in. So quick clean each day this weekend. So on Saturday, I will probably just make sure that everything is wiped down. And on Sunday, we'll do laundry. How about that? Or put laundry away. And then this is a good reminder that I always forget to add to my planner spread. I need to remember to save my files because I had so many files that I didn't save that I was working on. And then let's see, listings. Actually just gonna stick this to the corner there and work on the plan with me for next week. And then add the plan with me for next week, hopefully before a Sunday. Oh, I also need to edit a bunch of things. So let's make this one the edit button. So what I need to do is edit all of the advent calendar because the first one goes up, when is it? On next week, because next week's the 1st, right? So I think what I'm gonna do is edit at least 5 every other day-ish. That way I'm done, and then queue those up all up at the same, like, or not the same time, around the same time. And I'm sorry, I just totally realized that I never put back my planner into like the entire screen. Yeah, so I have to edit all of the advent calendar unboxings because I shipped those out a couple weeks ago. And I quickly filmed everything. I just never like totally forgot to take pictures, but that's okay. I have a bunch of things. I do plan on doing new releases, not next week, but the week after. I just want to catch up on orders first. So just giving you guys a heads up, I'm just gonna finish all the orders from Black Friday and everything before I like do new releases. But I do plan on doing new releases on Monday. Since I already announced that. Monday's basically just all of the freebie kits are gonna go up on Monday. So if you had a kit that you wanted, but it was a freebie kit, that will be up on Monday. I don't know why I just took that out. And I just realized I added the wrong thing. So I just realized that I meant to put in the weekly sidebar instead of the checklist, but I don't think it matters. 2, 3, yeah, there's 6 boxes here, and I normally go up to 5 anyway. So I'll just letter them with the days of the week on the checklist bubble and cover up the bottom one. So covering up the bottom one, I'm just gonna use the half box anyway, and that should help that out. There we go. And then Monday, I had a bunch of stuff to do on Monday, but what I'm gonna do is add in a half box to that day and then do a checklist box in, let's say, orange. That way I can do red in the middle. And then I will do the box here. And then for Tuesday, I'm just gonna do the box at the top and do the same thing for Wednesday. But Wednesday is gonna be yellow. Yeah, yellow. And then do half boxes at the bottom of those. So let's go with red. And then do the, oh, I don't have the orange one. I could use the yellow one. Well, but there's different sizes. Oh, whatever. I'll use the orange one. It's close enough to yellow. And then I'm gonna add in a washi to the bottom of this and then trim this down. And then add in the skinnier washi just to kind of tie those together. And then I'm just gonna do a smaller checklist for Tuesday and add in the ship orders Happy Mail Okay, and then I'm gonna add in what we're taking to Thanksgiving dinner for Thursday. I'm just gonna do my to-do list that I was gonna do for Thursday on Wednesday because it's not a very big list and it kind of overlaps anyway. So that should work for those. And then for Monday, I still have a quarter box that matches this side. So what I'm gonna do, it's gonna do 2 quarter boxes and use the little skinnier washi at the bottom of this. That is it for this week's Plan With Me. Make sure you check out the Black Friday sale, which is happening all through Monday, so you still have time to check that out. The sale actually ends Monday at midnight Pacific time, so which is 3 a.m. East Coast time for those of you who need to know. And there's a bunch of things going on. We have freebies every single day. The freebie kits, the full kits, so all of the pages will be in the shop on Monday, so you guys can grab those there if you didn't. But this kit was actually the November kit. If you guys like this kit, make sure you tell me so I can bring this back for next year. But this is it for this week's Plan With Me. Thanks for watching. I'm just gonna fill this out, and that is it for this video. Thanks everyone. Bye.